Guys, this is Malik, and today we are going to be playing Fishing Planet. So, yeah, first I might want to, maybe, buy a bait, like one of these, probably. Yeah, buy. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to the first lake that you ever fish in, because I know that has some bass and you can catch bass. So yeah, Lone Star Lake, and there's no fees, so I like that. And you can catch some nice spotted bass in there. The only thing I like Fishing Planet because it's so realistic. So I'm gonna go here and go fishing. Okay, let's go. Okay. So. Okay. I am gonna. Yeah, well, I guess I am gonna be fishing with my worms. Okay, and let's try to catch at least one fish. Okay, a fish is looking at it. You can see up right here the bobber. Oh, come on. Okay, well. So, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to change my bait. Okay. What the heck? Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to be fishing with the bread. Well, at least you can catch some sunfish. Which, okay, let's go fishing. The good thing with the bread is, like, there's a lot of it. See, I still have 47 left up here. Crap. I hate when you get, like, snagged, because then you actually lose your rod. So you wouldn't want to get snagged. So don't cast in a bunch of weeds, because that's really risky. Okay, fish is biting. Oh. Actually, before this, I saw a really famous. Oh, I got him. I got a fish. Okay, yay! Okay, I got a white crappie. Got 10 XP, 9.499 inches, $19, and 0.424 pounds. Let's try to catch one more fish. Actually, before this, I was playing and I saw a famous Fishing Planet YouTuber. If you know him, his name is Hawkeye. I watch him a lot. He's actually what got me inspired by Fishing Planet. So, thank you to him. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. We got a golden shiner. $12, 3 XP gained, 6.746 inches, and 0.267 pounds. I'm going to keep him. Okay, so let's try to catch actually one more fish before we go, because if we can't catch a fish soon, then, okay, he's biting. Oh, that guy got a fish. What I like about this game is you can, what I like about this game is you can like fish with other players. See this guy right here? So yeah. You should try Fishing Planet. It's actually kind of fun. So if I don't get a fish right now, I'm gonna have to end this video. Okay, I'm biting. Okay. Oh, got one. Oh, yeah, I didn't get it. Okay, so we got 2 fish. I think that's pretty good. So that's the end of this video, guys. So yeah. So yeah.